Welcome to 5-Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can rotate a PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Reader. So for that, first you have to open that PDF you wanna rotate. So you have to choose that page you want to rotate. For example, I'm going to rotate this page. So in that page you have to right click, and here you will find an option called rotate clockwise. You have to click on that. So after clicking on that, you will see the page will be rotated clockwise, and you can go back to previous view as well. For that you have to right click again and click on previous view. So you can rotate as many times as you want. So let me show you. So this is how you can rotate and choose the view you want. So if you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.